Okay, welcome back to this video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut your video, how to trim, how to add effects and transition, which is the main video editing itself. All right, so let's assume that you want to work with this video. Okay, now there are some parts which you want to cut, or let me use another video so that let me import this video so that we hear the voice. So you can see here, you go to your Canva, you make it so, crop, make it 4:5. all right, so I've already edited this video before, and I want to use it so that you can hear the sound.
Know how to start.
All right, so let's play it. Listen to the video.
You want to start content creation, but you don't know how to start. Worry no more. I am here to help. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exact step by step on how you can start creating content from the scratch. Yes, even if you don't know what you want to post, I am going to show you how you can start your content journey from the scratch. How to start.
All right, so you can see those transitions. That transition that just came in, boom, it will just come in, go. Do you understand? So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, so now let's assume in this video there are some parts I want to cut out. Maybe you recorded a video and a place whereby you don't want that place to be seen. Okay, so there are sometimes you make mistake. Maybe while you're talking on your video, you made a mistake and you corrected, you know, those kind of parts, you want to cut them out. Okay, you don't want people to see it. Yes, so now how to go about that? You just take it to that particular place. Let's assume, let me play it a little.
You want to start content creation, but you don't know how to start. Worry no more. I am here to help. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exact step by
step. So let's assume I want to cut this place. So I'll just screw the video to the particular place where I want to start the cutting. Then you now bring these options. You can see splits. You can see split here. Once you click on that split, you can see that it has already cut it into two. All right, now you play it again to the place where you want to cut the video.
Exact step by step on how you can start creating content.
Let's say I want to cut to this point. All right, so you click on that split again. Okay, now this is the parts that I want to remove from this video. So you can go ahead and click on delete. You can see delete there. You delete it, that part is off. Okay, there is another way which you can also cut your video. All right, let's bring it back. So let's assume you want to cut the other way. Okay, so you just select on split. You use this to drag. You can see it, you drag it to that point. All right, this particular one is better because you'll be able to edit it to the exact point which you want to cut it. All right, so you can use any one that you want. Okay, so when you get to where you want to end, you leave it. So that part is off now. So let's play it and see how it goes.
In this video, I'm going to content from.
So let's assume I have already edited this video already, but now let's assume there is a place you want to get rid of. So that is how you can cut your video. Okay, you can do the same all your video throughout the video. If there is any place you made a mistake and you want to cut it, you can use that method to cut it, you know, to trim the video. Then you remove the parts you don't want and you leave the parts you want. All right, so now I want to add the transition, that transition that you saw. This
you want to start content creation, but you don't know how to start. Worry no more. I am here to help. In this video,
you can see that transition just boom. So here you can click on this place, this middle, this place that we cut. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see transition. So here you can select, there are a lot of transitions here. you can choose the one that you want. Let's say I want to choose this one.
In this video, I'm going from.
You won't really see it like that. Okay, so first let me come here. I want to add my transition here. Let me see.
Even if you don't know what you want to,
I want to add my transition here. I cut it. Yeah, so once I cut it, I'll click on this place, so it will take me down to transition. You now select.
Even if you don't know what I am going to
you
show,
can see the transition, right?
Even if you
now,
don't know what I am going to show,
it.
Even if you don't know what I am going to show, even if you don't know what I am going to show,
so you can increase it. Let's see the difference.
Yes. Even if you don't know what
you can see it.
Yes.
Let's reduce it.
You don't know what you want to host. I am going to. You don't know what you want to host.
You understand?
I am going to. You don't know what
it.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show.
You can see it, right? So
even
the next one is this. Let's say you want to use this. You can see that's another transition.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show.
This is another one.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show you.
This is another one.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show you.
This is another one.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show you.
This is another one.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show you.
This is another one.
Even if you don't know, I am going to show
you. So you just choose the one that you want.
Even if you don't know, I am going
you can
to
see
show
it. That's another transition.
Even if you don't know, I am going to
so
show
these are transitions that
even
you can
if you
use.
Don't know, I am going to
alright.
Show you.
So if you are
even
okay
if
with anyone, you click on OK. So when you play the video, let's try it.
From the scratch, yes. Even if you don't know, I am going to show you how you
can see it, right? So depending on what you want, alright, depending on what you want, you can use any transition. You can use multiple transition, anyhow you want to use it. Okay, so that's how to use transition for your videos. Alright, so in order for this video not to be too long, I'm going to cut it here and we continue in the other video. So see you in the other video.